Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Install the Cast app and sign in. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Once done, connect your phone to the same network as the target device so discovery works. Grant the app location and local network permissions. This lets Cast find devices. Tap Accept, then open the app's device list. You should see compatible devices within seconds. If nothing appears, toggle Wi-Fi briefly and rescan to force discovery. You now pick the device and the casting mode you need. Tap the device name, then choose Screencast for full display or MediaCast for audio/video only. Next, configure quality and audio output. Lower bitrate if your network shows weak signal to reduce lag. Make sure subtitles or audio tracks are set correctly before you press Start Cast. Once streaming begins, keep an eye on latency and network bars. If stuttering occurs, pause and drop resolution to stabilize. To finish, stop casting from the Cast app or your phone's quick settings. Wait until the app confirms the disconnect. If the session won't start or drops often, reboot the app, then your phone, and finally the target device. That sequence clears most temporary issues. If problems persist, inspect your router. Enable multicast and UPnP and avoid guest networks which isolate devices. One key tip, test another phone briefly. If it casts, the issue is local to your original device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.